Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Wait, hold on. This video is going to be jam-packed with events of me romanticizing my life, and I'm so excited for you to come along. Just make sure you subscribe and like the video before we get started, because you're going to want to be here for this. I have a lot of really cool stuff coming up, and I'm going to film it all. There's this place that I go to. It's called Bowl Lab. Ew, I just hate the background. So there's this place that I go to. It's called Bowl Lab. Look how pretty. I'll show you another shot, but their stuff is so good. My friend Kieran told me about them like a couple years ago, and then I just got really in love with it. What's wrong? This is the baby. He was just, oh, he smelled a sushi. But yeah, they're so good. If you live in Atlanta, go to Bowl Lab. Look at his face. So like, now that I'm like a cat mom and everything, I feel weird. Cause like, my sister is like, you're a mom now. And my mom was like, wow, you have a cat. And then Gil is like, go to mom. Ew. I don't want to be anyone's mom right now. And like, he does this weird thing where at night, he gets like these weird, like creepy zoomies. Like, I swear a demon has possessed him or something. Like, he just tried to fight. I'm literally hiding in my room because I'm scared of this boy. Like, try to bite me. I'll insert the clip of me trying to hide away from him.
He's coming up in my house. I don't even know this guy like that. They came and said,
Oh, he finna jump.
that was her date. She's gone. Now it's time to enjoy ourselves.
See, he acting crazy. That's why I got this. Like, he caught me lacking though.
One of my hands, one of my jeans. Serving my friends, serving the fiends. I'm feeling rough, she feeling my needs. What I got is not enough, I want everything. Can this be my link? Codeine dripping in my lean. Shawty, she a freak, so I fuck her like a beast. Yeah, I fuck her every week, I don't take her out to eat. Hate the Boston Celtics, but I'm loving all this green.
Look at Ollie. Like, he is so cute. Hi, Ollie. Like, I'm gonna look back at these videos and I'm gonna be like, he was so small. He was a baby. He was a baby. Ollie, a baby. He only lets me hold him like this when he just woke up. Like, he never lets me do this. So I had to videotape it. Because he's so cute. He's so cute. I love me some Olipop. I love me some Olipop. He's trying to get out. He hates this. Why do you hate me? Love me. Love me, babe. I want you to love me, babe. Love me, Ollie. Ollie, love me. Alright, bye. Also, my makeup looks really good. Hopefully this is a cool angle. Oh, my hair looks a mess. That's embarrassing. But it's Ollie, babe. Ollie. What is he looking at? Cats be scaring me because they see things. That's weird.
Round one, fight! Round two, fight!
Here it comes! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Final round, fight!
It's the brothers. Yeah. See, I told you.
Who can?
Maybe
Second Foley champ goes up in Madison Square Garden. Oh no! 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 A second pedigree on the thumbtacks. The second pedigree. Throws him up on the other side. There's. Good dog. Good dog. That's it. He's dead. Well, somebody stop the damn match. Enough's enough. Still on his feet. Here comes Slam. Oof. Watch out. Oh my God. Oh, those thumbtacks. Look at that stuck in the body of the Big Show. Tell me. No.
Get him lunch. Here, wait. Keep that one like that and then do this. Yeah.
Looks like the cancer symbol.
That's a 69, isn't it?
That looks fish.
Oh yeah, it's a fish.
Happy Valentines.
Happy Valentine's.
Good.
Wait, I gotta turn around. I gave you some.
Like your lip? For your lip gloss? Ew. Go change. Who won the costume? Wow. Wow. Nice. Good soup.
So I woke up early to come get hair. Come get my hair done today. And then I was gonna wash my hair at my parents' house. Got to my parents' house. I was like, can I wash my hair here? My mom was like,
I'll wash your hair for you.
I was like,
Say less.
but yeah, I went to Clean Juice. I got the intense one and the California wrap. It's good. My total was like $20.
And scissors be like, Olaplex. Olaplex. What? It's literally a squeeze.
Just so it fits so clearly. It just looked like it was part of the container.
Yes. This is how I'm positioned. I bet you're wondering how I got in this situation. Oh, I look ugly from that angle. I love dealing with rich. A new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or we're only dreaming a whole new world. When I was younger, I was in Aladdin, and I was Iago. If you don't know who Iago is, you're probably a loser. Like, I was a theater kid, so like even the way I sing is very like theatrical, like very, like you can tell the difference between theater artists and like regular singers. Okay, I'm going to get my hair done. I don't know why, but I'm really excited about this one. Like, I feel like I'm gonna look so freaking good. But yeah, this is the before. She told me to come earlier, so like I didn't have a chance to like really like do my makeup like how I really wanted to. I was like, ooh, let me put on like a nude like bodysuit. Like it's giving Skims. It's giving luxury black girl. It's giving Pilates Stanley Cup. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay. So see y'all in a sec. It's cute. It is really cute. Like, I'm actually really happy with it. It's a lot thinner than I thought. Like, there's no hair on my back. Like, it's a lot thinner than I thought. But like, when she put the curls in it, I didn't like it at first. Honestly, the whole story behind it is just not. But when she put the curls in it, I'm like, okay, it's giving Pilates. It's giving soft life. It's giving. It's giving. But yeah, I got 16, 18, and 20 inches. So I wanted like really like deep, like choppy layers. I would do it all over again. You know, she was towards the end, it got better. But in the beginning, I was like, oh, I'm finna go. Like, yeah, they look good, actually. Look real good. Okay, bye. I'm sorry, I just had to hop back on here because I started feeling myself. Like, it's giving Aaliyah's face. It's giving Pilates. It's giving like, don't talk to me but pay for my bill. Like, it's giving everything that the girlies wanted it to give. Like, it's giving I have a toy poodle. Like, oh my gosh, this is actually really cute. I forgot how well side parts do me. And like, I didn't think I had any hair over here, but look what it is. It's there and it's giving. I love. Cute. I can't wait to like do my makeup and then like, you know. But yeah. It makes you look skinnier. I don't know. I really want to like do my makeup, but I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. I'll show y'all what I look like tomorrow with like everything all done and like makeup and like hair. Probably recurl it a little bit more, but oh my gosh, this is cute. I love the way she did like my sideburn. I'm gonna do that now. Like, why? I don't know why I wasn't doing it before, but yeah. See you at Pilates class. Stanley Cup. Yeah. I'm the it girl now. Sorry guys. It's me, not you. Been me. Will always be. Boom shakalaka. I'm just that, like, it's just, I look good. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
so I'm back. I ended up putting on makeup. My friend Sam and her girlfriend just left, so we had wine, obviously. But I just re-curled it with my curler. I really want like a bigger barrel, but like, oh my gosh. Like, look. Like, it's so voluminous and just big and like curly. And just like the way it like waves around, like, ugh. And like I like the whole like second day curl look, so I wanted to curl it before I like wrapped it, because it's just gonna look so good in the morning. But I am utterly obsessed. I think this unlocked like a new level of baddie for Kendra. Like it's giving Pilates. Like, it's giving Pilates. And I can't get over it. I feel like I look so freaking good. I plan on going to the gym in the morning. Ugh! It's like, I never want to go to the gym. But when I go to the gym, I'm always like so thankful I went. But look at my hair. Oh my God. Like, it was such a rocky start to like the whole like to get this, and it took a long time, but like, you know what, I think I would do it again just to feel like this. I would do that whole situation all over again just to feel like this. So I'm very thankful, very blessed. Yeah.
Put up my bones and they put it in their nose. Everything I got, yeah, I got it on my own. One of my hands, one of my jeans. Serving my friends, serving the fiends. I fill her up, and she filling my needs. What I got is not enough, I want everything. Hey.
Cash rules everything around me. Tell me what you want, man, I'll get you what you need. Summertime fall, tryna cuff you in the spring. Tryna bang your ass from my daughter to 3. Women lie, man, lie, numbers don't me. Wanna get some money, man, get around me. Baby, send these shots, we ain't send them at me. Run it down tonight.
Everyone's just here for the Super Bowl.
Bro, these cards are trash, bro. I'm not playing with these cards, bro.
Bro, don't show your fucking nail, bro.
Man, what's up with that shit? That's bullshit.
My lips are chapped.
Yeah, you pussy now.
Shit, nigga. You feel me? Goddamn, I'm wearing that goddamn. What am I wearing? Stoner Boy, Lover Boy.
Okay, so I was in a meeting like this whole morning, and a girl was just being really weird. Like, he was just like, I was asking him questions, he just wasn't answering me. So I was like, what the heck? And I had to jump on like a call, and then he comes back and look what he got me. It's Valentine's Day, by the way, but look. Aww, it's so cute. 2 beans from Jody. You get more flowers later. Wow. Oh my God. Is this what being a relationship is like? Oh yeah, my nails, Mian did them. Thank you, Mian. These are the ones I wanted for Valentine's Day. I know I already lost the thumb, but you know, I'm gonna find it. So another thing that's crazy that I just realized, and it kind of made me emotional a little bit, was that like a few years ago, I saw like, I think it was a TikTok or like a video somewhere where this girl was like, all right, tell God, hey, when my soulmate is here, tell them to give me this, or tell them to say like a certain phrase. So my thing was, all right, so I was like, when my soulmate, the person I'm gonna marry, the person I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with, comes into my life, please let him give me purple roses. And it's even on my vision board. I'll show you right now. It's on my vision board right there. Purple roses. And look what Gil gave me for Valentine's Day. Purple roses. You really just can't make this stuff up. Like, you can't.
One of my hands, one of my jeans. Serving my friends, serving the fiends. I fill her up, she filling my needs. What I got is not enough, I want everything. Hey, one of my hands, one of my jeans. Serving my friends, serving the fiends. I fill her up.
I can't freaking wait. She is beautiful. Move. That's crazy. Ready?
Are you ready?
I think so.
Pull the seats forward.
Oh no, I'm good.
Hit the middle, good.
Yes.
Oh, you should get half the
Oh my gosh. I do want to move it up a little though.
Okay. Just turn it around, stop here.
She filling my needs. What I got is not enough, I want everything.
He's always staring at me. But look, I got him watching the like fruit dancing like sensory video. He loves it. He loves the iPad. Every time on my iPad, he has to like look on it too. But yeah, look, it's so cool. His face is so cute. Okay, so the other day I went to the grocery store. I got a dragon fruit. So I want to try the dragon fruit on camera just to see how it tastes, because they look so crazy to me, but like everyone says they're good. So here's the fruit in question. She's cute, let's eat her. Back to the dragon fruit. Okay, so how am I supposed to cut this? Honestly, I'm gonna just cut it. Wow. Wait, I gotta take a picture of this. Okay, so I sliced like a little piece right here. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, here it goes. Why am I nervous? It's really pretty though. Not bad. You know what? Not too bad. I like the texture of it. It reminds me of a pear, but not as sweet. The texture reminds me of a pear. Like the gritty, like soft. I think the color is so cute. It's like a fuchsia pink, but like a white. I feel like this will be good in a smoothie just to add like texture. Yeah. Okay, it's good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it, I don't know if I'd ever really like eat that for real. I'd give it a 7. Like if it was in my like fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy. Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
I would definitely eat it. But like I wouldn't just pull it out like a banana, you know. But yeah, it was good. Y'all should try it. Me and girls just made pizza and it looks so good. Mmm.
Circular shape first. I forgot. I just remembered that just now. Make the shape first, and then do what I was doing the first time. That's how you get.
Nothing's wrong with a rectangular pizza. You ate one literally at your job.
That was just different kind of dough, though.
I think it'll be fine, rectangular. Margarita pizza.
I hate to die like your son. Not at all what I intended. Tell Sassy.
One of my hands, one of my jeans. Serving my friends, serving the fiends. I'm feeling rough, she feeling my needs. What I got is not enough, I want everything. Hey, can this be my link? Codeine dripping in my lean. Shawty, she a freak, so I fuck her like a beast. Yeah, I fuck her every week, I don't take her out to eat. Hey, the Boston Celtics.
Hi guys, it is Saturday. I'm going to go get oysters with Kieran. Just because I was craving some, I didn't want to go alone. Gil is at work. Yeah, we're going to CS. I'll show it to you. But we gave away Ollie today to Gil's sister. He's in a better place. He's not dead, but he's just in a better place. But I'm excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the oyster bar. I got the raw ones. The raw.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.